In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and manage your company settings using HubSpot. This will help you gain better insights and streamline your operations within the platform. Let's dive right in. Firstly, we need to head over to the HubSpot user guide. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the HubSpot URL. Once there, navigate to the user guide section. This guide is a helpful resource where you can find detailed instructions and helpful visuals on how to use various features of the platform effectively. Next, you need to identify the Companies section. After accessing the user guide, find and click on the Companies tab. This section is dedicated entirely to the management of company profiles and details within your HubSpot account, serving as a hub for all your company-related data. It's a crucial area if you want to maintain a comprehensive database of your business contacts and their respective companies. Now, moving forward, locate and click on HubSpot. By doing this, you're into the General Settings dashboard where you can further explore and manage your account settings. It's a central place where various features of the platform can be accessed, allowing you to customize and adjust your account to fit your organizational needs better. The next step involves clicking on the Overview option. The Overview section provides a snapshot of your company's data. It offers a holistic view of your company's interactions, activities, and engagements. It's an excellent place to gather vital insights into the effectiveness of your communication and strategies within the platform. Once you're satisfied with the overview, proceed by selecting Data Highlights. In this section, you can view significant metrics and statistics related to your company's operations on HubSpot. This data is essential for assessing performance and identifying areas for improvement. It gives you a quick glance at your progress and achievements, helping you make informed decisions. After you've checked the data highlights, it's time to click on Recent Activities. This provides a log of the recent interactions and changes made within your company account. Tracking recent activities can aid you in understanding how your team is engaging with the platform and can also help pinpoint any anomalies or issues that might require attention. Lastly, click on Contacts. This brings you to a comprehensive list of all contacts associated with your company. It's where you can manage individual contacts, view their interaction histories, and engage with them directly. Keeping this section organized and up to date ensures that you have efficient communication channels and robust relationship management. And that wraps up today's guide on accessing and optimizing your company settings within HubSpot. These steps will enhance your understanding and usage of the platform, allowing you to leverage it to its full potential. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.